At Mercy Health, our mission extends from your heart. Your dedication enriches those around you. You treat personally, heal expertly, care compassionately, and strive endlessly. In every hallway, every hospital, every smile, you are making lives better. And together, this is what we were meant to do.
My mother actually is an RN. She really encouraged me to go into nursing, and I saw that in her nursing career, she was doing more than just being a nurse. So now that I have become a nurse and have been a nurse for 10 years, I realize that I get to be a teacher, I get to be a therapist, I get to be a friend to these people. The hardest part of my job is when you lose someone that we've had. Maxine was a patient that suffered from chronic COPD. She came in often, and we became very close friends. She actually took it a little hard when I became the manager of the unit, and so I would have to make sure that I took time out of my day to go in her room and talk to her, and sometimes I would just go in and hold her hand. And when I had my first child, Ella, I had a knock on the door, and my husband went to the door, and he came into the living room and said, "There's a man at the door, and I'm not sure who it is, but he says his wife is your patient, and she wants to come inside and see your baby." I immediately said, "I know exactly who it is. It's Maxine." She came inside and sat on my couch and held Ella for the first time, and she actually cried. And that's just another example of how that you make an impact on someone's life. I knew that nursing was the career for me when I had patients' family members that would come back to the hospital to thank me for taking care of them. I, to this day, still have patients that call and thank me for the care that the nurses give. So even now that I'm a manager, I still get to be a part of that. I know that the nurses and the nursing assistants are doing what they can for these patients. One of the other nurses and I decided that after Maxine passed away that we would take up money, and the money goes to the foundation, and we bought a brick for her. So the brick is now in the hallway, so when we walk past, we get to see Maxine's name, and it makes me feel happy. My name is Deanna Seal, and this is what I was meant to do.